What drives my passion for transformative AI is its immense potential to reshape lives and industries. As a lecturer and researcher, my work extends beyond the classroom. I actively engage in community service initiatives, helping small and medium enterprises adopt IoT and AI-driven solutions to boost productivity and competitiveness. My research and community projects focus on digital transformation, and by empowering SMEs, I aim to foster sustainable growth in our local communities. My participation in the YSEALI Regional Workshop 2025 will deepen my expertise, foster regional collaboration, and help me bring back transformative AI solutions to further my research, improve education, and support more SMEs through community service.